Hey everybody, Nolan here from K&W Tractor Works. We're here in Northeast Ohio. It's about 95 degrees, so I'll keep this video brief. But today's video is just going to be going over box planes. Some of you are familiar, some aren't. We're going to talk about the features, the specifications, and all the stuff that this two-in-one implement can do for your compact tractor. So we'll get started here. We've got a 6-foot model. This is from Ignite Attachments. Here at K&W Tractor Works, we're a dealer for Ignite. They are phenomenal products, come with a phenomenal warranty, heavy duty. Their welds are phenomenal. We've been incredibly happy with them. We sell a lot of stuff. So like I said, here we've got the 72-inch or the 6-foot model. It is basically a two-in-one implement. It's the best parts of both a box blade and a land plane. Now, some of you may own both. You may have one and not the other. This is the best of both worlds. So we'll start out by doing a quick 360 and talking about some of the features, the specs, and just going over how to use it. Okay, so the first question I'm going to answer is what sizes do they come in? Like I said, this is the 6-foot or 72-inch model. They also come in 5-foot and 4-foot. One of the nicest things about it is quick hitch compatible. And if you're unfamiliar with what a quick hitch is, it's basically a tool that attaches to your tractor's 3-point system and allows you to take implements on and off super quickly, super easily. Now, this 6-foot box plane weighs about 540 pounds. That's not counting the front blade. We'll get into that in a little bit, but with the front blade, it's over 600 pounds. So having a quick hitch makes taking this thing on and off super quick and super easy. I'll apologize in advance for the shadows. It's starting to get dark here, but we'll get right into it. So with the 6-foot model, it comes with 5 scare fires or ripper shanks, whatever you want to call them. If you're unfamiliar, that's these pieces right here. They come in 3 different depths, or if you choose not to use them, you can pull the pin, flip them upside down, set them right back on top, and take them out of the equation. Moving backwards, the next thing we'll talk about here is this front cutting blade. And what that replicates is the blades of a land plane or a land grader. So this is an optional piece. Once again, it's this blade right here. This is an optional piece. We sell them here at K&W Tractor Works as well. 3 bolts on each side, and that blade really allows you to level material. So set that, it is slightly adjustable, as you can see here, but set that to your depth along with correcting your 3-point. Get it to the depth that you want to do the cutting. It will cut the material, then it will flow over. As we're moving towards the back, you can see, just like your box blades, it has both a rear front and a rear blade here, very similar to what you see in a box blade. Now, if we're looking at it from the back here, you'll notice that it's open in the rear. That is what makes this the box plane. So this is what's called the tailgate or the convertible tailgate, and it basically lets you leave it open as we would use it in a land plane or a land grader, or close it, which is how we would use it as a box blade. We'll get to that here, coming right up. Okay, so now that I've got the camera on a stand, I can really demonstrate how easy this is. So right now we've got the rear tailgate open. We're going to use, this would be the configuration we'd use it to level material, whether you've got a gravel driveway, you've got some high spots in a field or your yard or whatever that may be. We want to level it so that material can pass through and out the back. We'll leave that tailgate open. If we want to switch to use this as more of a box blade, all you have to do is come up, remove this pin. There's a handle here and a handle here. So we'll just simply push forward, up. It will drop into place. Set the pin back, and now it's locked in. And I'll do it one more time in reverse. As you can see, the tailgate's closed. This is going to keep all the material that we're moving in this box here. If we were to switch it, we want to start material coming out the back. It's the exact opposite. Remove the pin, grab the lower handle, the upper handle. You basically, there's a pin and a channel here that it just rolls up and down on. We'll lock our pin back, set it, and now the rear tailgate is open on the box plane. And just to demonstrate, like we talked about before, with these scarifiers or ripper shanks, whatever you want to call them, remove the pin. If I wanted to change the depth, I can drop them down. Like I said, there's 3 settings. If I didn't want to use them, I can let that fall, turn it around, and repin it, all 5 of these, so that they're out of the equation. Well, that just about covers everything with the box plane. If you have any questions, you want information, pricing, things like that, visit our website, KWTractorworksLLC.com. Reach out to us through our Instagram, our Facebook. This video will be on pretty much all of our social media platforms, including YouTube. And I'm going to try to get better about doing at least 1 different implementer attachment a month. This, like I said, they're newer to the market. I'm really excited about them. I've used them quite a bit and I've been nothing but impressed. If you're in the market for either the box blade or a land plane, you're not sure which one you're going to use, or like I said, there's so many different options for what we can do with this. This really is a great 2-in-1 tool for your compact tractor. So like I said, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Once again, this is Nolan from K&W Tractor Works. Thanks for watching.